Welcome to another episode of FAQ Friday, and today's question is: how can I optimize the checkout process? Well, there are many ways to do this, but there's one thing that most businesses overlook, and that is the importance of form fields. Most people think it's the amount of steps in the checkout process that are defining in this final stage, but it's actually the form fields that people perceive to be the most inconvenient of it all. And the solution is, of course, to reduce the amount of fields your customers need to fill in. And according to best practices, you need to keep it under 6 to 8 fields. And there are 3 simple tricks to do this. Number 1 is use a single full name field rather than 2 separate fields for the first and last name. Number 2 is set the billing address is equal to the shipping address as a default. And the last one is to eliminate mandatory site registration before making a purchase. So make guest checkout the most prominent option or the default option. And that's that. I hope this answered your question. If you have any other questions, drop them down in the comments below, and I hope to see you next week.